Okay, welcome to the channel, and in today's guide we are going to be discussing the build phase for the north side. Now, for those of you who are just coming into this, you're going to have to play some catch up and go back to the beginning of the series. For the people who have been watching, we're going to kick this off right now. We are running back out here and we are going to be placing our one ceiling zapper. Not a ceiling zapper, but ceiling electric field. Now we're going to be going to our ceiling drops. Remember to put your back towards. Right here. We're going to be placing a ceiling electric field. Ceiling electric field. It's coming running back out. And going back to ceiling drops. Nothing will be running up here, but just in case something goes a little loopy, we're going to be putting them there. And that is it for your ceiling drops. Now, right here, we're using wall darts, wall darts, wall darts. Our subs, you can just run around and put these on all of the squares. So wherever you see them, you know that's where they go. Right here, this is where we're going to start using some floor freeze traps. Okay? Ceiling electrical field. Use these 144s up first. They're just gonna come right up on this side. Nothing here. And go to wall dart. wall darts. And we're going to do heals on the outside of this. We are going to do, see what the bottom of that says. We got to wait for that to fully upgrade. While we're waiting for that, we are going to go to our Zappo Maxes, and you can just use wall dynamos. Go to this outside wall. Here we're going to use retractable floor spikes. Oh, I really got some. There we go. And now, back to our Zappo Maxes. Back to your floor freeze traps. Retractable spikes. Zappo Maxes. And then the final piece will be your ceiling zappers. This is completely done. Oh, down here, your ceiling electrical field there. As they're walking up, kapow. And one right here. That's why they've got the crack there, because it's going to shoot through that and hit them. And I forgot to build that right here, so we're out of luck on that one. That's okay. And I forgot to build this extra wall right here too. And on the other side, should have had 2 more darts. See, that's what I mean. You gotta go through and make sure it's perfect, but it's okay. It's not gonna matter. This side is pretty much smoking boots right now. But anyways, this side is done. And the only thing you have left to do is your anti-air. I think we used the 144, so we don't need no more. And just put the damage down here. then we're gonna go on the outside of here, and we're actually gonna use the other ones. I don't know why I even have these weird ass damage ones. Kind of cool, I guess. But there you go. That's it. North side is done. Our next video, we will be going to B in the same way. We'll be discussing B. We'll be building B. Catch you in the next one. I will provide a Discord link in the description below, so you can please join. I'm trying to grow. Now we'll see you in the next one, guys. GG, stay safe out there, and I hope you enjoyed. We're making these ones quick, by the way, just because we've already done it, and now there's no need to explain anything more, except that building phase was a pain. It took forever. But GG, everyone.